Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Crypto Money Machine. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'll introduce to you a new platform. It's a platform where you can find a better project, where you can find a good project, where you can find a scam project, you can find a fake project, where you can find a good and better project. That means if you want to invest your money on this project, you can simply visit this site and you can find a better and good project from here. So guys, first of all, the platform name is cryptoawards.com. So first of all, you need to know how it's work, how crypto awards work. So awards working like that. First honest crypto awards is the first honest rating of crypto projects, companies and persons. So it's a transparent process of voting based on feedback and reviews from real crypto users and customers. Here you can see, guys, here you can see that how crypto awards working. Here they told that crypto awards is working like that. If you like this project, that means if you know that the project is very good, the project future is very good and bright, you can vote this project and you can appreciate this project. And and that's it. It's working like that. If you know that this project is real, you can vote the project and support this project. It's working like that. That means you can find a good and better project from here. So crypto is the ranking where each nominee is competed for. Here you can here they told that crypto is a ranking where people will nominate to competing for the honor to be named the best of the best. Such rating can help to select the most reliable project and companies for a safe investment. Here each nominee and competing to the platform for a chance to nominees here. So guys, uh, you can see that how it's work. First of all, if you want to work here, that means if you want to vote and earn profit from here, you need to first of all you need to create an account on here. It's take longer than 5 minutes. First of all, you need to register on this platform and then join the nomination. Each nominee may participate in an unlimited number of nominations. That means if you want to participate many, and if you can, that if you participate more and more number of nominations, that then receive a response to user feedback and get the most points to become a winner and take a award from here. um, so it's working like that. Here you can see that already 185 crypto projects have already joined this platform. So guys, you can also support this platform, you can also join this platform. Here you can see the top nominees of this platform. Here you can see the Ghost Finance, launch on Jet4 Finance, and here you can see the DeFi exchanges. Here you can see that the CEO of blockchain and crypto. Here you can see the TRX CEO. Here you can see the Binance Exchange CEO. uh, so guys, if you want to earn something from this project, you need to simply register and log in on this platform, and after that you can vote here and you can also be a nominate. Here you can see the many nominations of this project. Here are Launchpool, Pools, Ducado, Incubator, Blockfollow, and Jiao. Here you can see the lots of new nominations on this platform. Last review, here you can see the last review of this platform. Who voted, who review. Here you can see there the last review. So guys, it's a very important and a very good platform for this generation, because if you want to invest your money, you need to a very potential and very bright future of token. So guys, you can find a better and best coin based token from here. Here you can see the produced by Finexpo and official coin. Here their official coin is IQ.cash coin, and here they already launched some bounties for the users or earn something. Here you can guys donate something, donate BSC, TRC20, TRC20, BTC if you want to deposit here, because they are working for you guys. If you want to deposit here, you can uh, deposit something from here. So guys, you can register and log in here, and you can working this platform, because it's our platform, it's the world's platform. So guys, that's all tonight. I will told you more about this platform in future. So guys, you can also see the 83 nomination created by market experts, here 185 companies competing in the rating, and 32 countries already in ranking is live from here. Already 32 countries are on this platform, and 1547 real feedback from real people, and already 1547 feedback already there. So guys, it's a very good and best platform for choosing your future. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will share you more about this platform in future. Thanks a lot.